Question 1. What was the main occupation of weavers in India during the 18th century? Options are A. Farming, B. Textile production, C. Pottery, D. Iron smelting. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Textile production. Question 2. Which fabric was most famous from Bengal? Options are A. Chintz, B. Muslin, C. Jute, D. Brocade. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Muslin. Question 3. Why did Indian textile exports decline in the 19th century? Options are A. War, B. Industrial Revolution, C. Climate change, D. Discovery of synthetic fibers. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Industrial Revolution. Question 4. What was the impact of British machine-made textiles on Indian weavers? Options are A. Increased demand, B. Loss of livelihood, C. Boosted local economy, D. No impact. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Loss of livelihood. Question 5. Which community was famous for dyeing and printing textiles? Options are A. Chippi, B. Lohar, C. Sonar, D. Jat. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Chippi. Question 6. What was spinning jenny? Options are A. A type of textile, B. A dyeing technique, C. A weaving machine, D. A spinning wheel. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. A weaving machine. Question 7. Where was the first cotton mill in India established? Options are A. Bombay, B. Calcutta, C. Madras, D. Delhi. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Bombay. Question 8. Which metal was smelted in India for making weapons? Options are A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Copper, D. Lead. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Iron. Question 9. The wood steel from India was used to make what? Options are A. Swords, B. Ships, C. Buildings, D. Pots. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Swords. Question 10. Who introduced mechanized textile production in India? Options are A. British, B. Mughals, C. Dutch, D. French. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. British. Question 11. Which European country was the biggest competitor to Indian textiles in the 18th century? Options are A. Spain, B. England, C. Portugal, D. France. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. England. Question 12. What was the Calico Act of 1720? Options are A. Ban on Indian cotton textiles in England, B. Promotion of Indian textiles, C. Law to protect European weavers, D. None of the above. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Ban on Indian cotton textiles in England. Question 13. Which city became a major hub for textile exports in colonial India? Options are A. Calcutta, B. Bombay, C. Surat, D. Chennai. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Bombay. Question 14. What was the significance of the Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO? Options are A. India's first large-scale industry, B. British-owned factory, C. Textile trading firm, D. Arms manufacturing. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. India's first large-scale industry. Question 15. Which Mughal emperor wore finely woven muslin? Options are A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Shah Jahan. Question 16. Which British policy led to the decline of Indian iron smelting? Options are A. Free trade policy, B. Heavy taxation, C. Import of British iron, D. Industrial licensing. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Import of British iron. Question 17. What was the traditional method of textile printing in India? Options are A. Block printing, B. Digital printing, C. Spray printing, D. Heat transfer printing. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Block printing. Question 18. Which textile was known as woven air? Options are A. Chintz, B. Muslin, C. Jute, D. Khadi. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Muslin. Question 19. Why did British officials support Manchester Mills over Indian weavers? Options are A. To reduce cost, B. To promote British economy, C. Indian weavers refused to work, D. Indian cloth was of poor quality. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. To promote British economy. Question 20. What was a major consequence of the decline of Indian handicrafts? Options are A. Growth of Indian businesses, B. Migration of artisans to cities, C. Increased revenue for weavers, D. Rise in British textile exports. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. Rise in British textile exports. Question 21. What is chins? Options are A. A type of food, B. A patterned cotton textile, C. A British law, D. For weapon. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. A patterned cotton textile. Question 22. What was a dastakar? Options are A. Farmer, B. Weaver, C. Artisan, D. Blacksmith. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Artisan. Question 23. What did Indian iron smelters use for fuel? Options are A. Wood, B. Coal, C. Charcoal, D. Kerosene. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Charcoal. Question 24. Why was Indian wood steel highly valued? Options are A. It was cheap, B. It was very strong, C. It was decorative, D. It was easy to make. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. It was very strong. Question 25. When was the first jute mill established in India? Options are A. 1855, born in 1870, circa 1885, D. 1900. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. 1855. Question 26. Which ruler opposed British economic policies affecting artisans? Options are A. Tipu Sultan, B. Shivaji, C. Ranjit Singh, D. Bahadur Shah Zafar. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Tipu Sultan. Question 27. Who introduced power looms in India? Options are A. British, B. Portuguese, C. Mughals, D. Dutch. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. British. Question 28. What was a major problem faced by Indian weavers under British rule? Options are A. Lack of raw material, B. Forced labor, C. Competition with British mills, D. Increase in demand. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Competition with British mills. Question 29. What was the impact of railway expansion on Indian industries? Options are A. Boosted local businesses, B. Made British imports cheaper, C. Reduced employment, D. None of the above. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Made British imports cheaper. Question 30. Which town was famous for iron smelting in India? Options are A. Jamshedpur, B. Hyderabad, C. Surat, D. Amritsar. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Jamshedpur. Question 31. What was the main reason behind the British ban on Indian textiles? Options are A. Indian fabric was expensive, B. It was superior to British textiles, C. It was not popular in Europe, D. Indian weavers refused to sell. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. It was superior to British textiles. Question 32. What did the British do to ensure a supply of raw cotton for their mills? Options are A. Increased cotton prices, B. Forced Indian farmers to grow cotton, C. Built more textile mills in India, D. Encouraged self-sufficiency. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Forced Indian farmers to grow cotton. Question 33. Why did Indian iron smelting decline in the 19th century? Options are A. British imposed heavy taxes, B. Lack of raw materials, C. Iron imports from Britain, D. Pollution issues. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Iron imports from Britain. Question 34. What was the effect of the Swadeshi movement on the textile industry? Options are A. Encouraged use of Indian goods, B. Increased British imports, C. Reduced local textile production, D. No effect. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Encouraged use of Indian goods. Question 35. Which major port city was a hub for British textile exports from India? Options are A. Surat, B. Chennai, C. Calcutta, D. Mumbai. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is C. Calcutta. Question 36. What happened to Indian artisans who lost their jobs? Options are A. Moved to agriculture, B. Worked in British factories, C. Migrated abroad, D. Became traders. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Moved to agriculture. Question 37. What made Indian muslin famous in Europe? Options are A. Its vibrant colors, B. Its fine quality, C. Its low cost, D. Its durability. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Its fine quality. Question 38. What was the Manchester effect in India? Options are A. Rise of Indian textile mills, B. British textile imports destroying Indian weavers, C. Growth of industrial cities, D. Increase in labor laws. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. British textile imports destroying Indian weavers. Question 39. How did the British control India's iron industry? Options are A. High taxes on iron production, B. Ban on traditional iron smelting, C. Cheap British iron imports, D. All of the above. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 40. Why did Tipu Sultan oppose British economic policies? Options are A. He wanted to support local artisans, B. He wanted to trade only with China, C. He favored Portuguese traders, D. He was against iron smelting. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. He wanted to support local artisans. Question 41. Which Indian industrialist set up a modern steel plant in the early 20th century? Options are A. Jamsetji Tata, B. Dhirubhai Ambani, C. Birla, D. Raja Ravi Verma. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Jamsetji Tata. Question 42. What was the impact of British cotton imports on Indian farmers? Options are A. Forced them into debt, B. Increased their income, C. Encouraged small industries, D. Helped them sell more cotton. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Forced them into debt. Question 43. Which British law forced Indian farmers to cultivate cash crops? Options are A. Permanent Settlement Act, B. Ryotwari System, C. Indigo Act, D. Rowlatt Act. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Ryotwari System. Question 44. What was a loom used for? Options are A. Spinning cotton, B. Weaving fabric, C. Dyeing textiles, D. Measuring cloth. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Weaving fabric. Question 45. Which region was famous for its iron mines in colonial India? Options are A. Jharkhand, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Kerala. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is A. Jharkhand. Question 46. How did Indian weavers protest against British policies? Options are A. Stopped working, B. Burnt British textiles, C. Participated in Swadeshi movement, D. All of the above. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 47. Why did the British encourage railways in India? Options are A. To help Indians travel, B. To transport British goods cheaply, C. To improve Indian economy, D. To connect villages. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. To transport British goods cheaply. Question 48. What was the main raw material for the British textile industry? Options are A. Jute, B. Cotton, C. Silk, D. Wool. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Cotton. Question 49. How did the British react to Indian industrial growth? Options are A. Encouraged it, B. Restricted it, C. Provided financial help, D. Created partnerships. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Restricted it. Question 50. Which movement urged Indians to boycott British goods? Options are A. Quit India movement, B. Swadeshi movement, C. Civil disobedience movement, D. Non-cooperation movement. You have 10 seconds to answer. The correct answer is B. Swadeshi movement.